Hello guys, just when you think smartphones have reached their limits, the Ulefone Armor 29 Ultra appears a real digital tank in your pocket. This robust flagship comes with a massive 21,200 mAh battery, a powerful Dimensity 9300 Plus processor, up to 32GB of RAM and even 1TB of internal memory. There is also a huge AMOLED screen, even a second screen on the back, Android 15 and a top-notch camera system. In short, a phone that knows no limits to endurance or performance, so be sure to watch this Ulefone Armor 29 Ultra video review. The box that the Armor 29 Ultra comes is already makes it clear that we are in for something special. The thick, solid packaging in black and yellow color like an industrial tool. When you open the lid, the first impression is impressive size and weight. The device itself occupies almost the entire interior of the box. We have a lot of paperwork, including this Armor 29 Ultra user manual written in many different languages and a bunch of other paperwork. We also find the additional screen protector, which is a tempered glass, even though the smartphone has a factory installed screen protection out of the box. There is also a hand strap for secure phone handling. We also have a SIM pin for opening the SIM tray, a yellow USB Type-C charging cable, and finally, of course, the 120-watt super fast charger, something that owners of the flagship Samsung phones can only dream of. And that will be contents of this rich package. Now it's time to switch to our smartphone. The Armor 29 Ultra is not a phone for everyone. Its hefty dimensions of a 33.8mm thick and a weight of 668 grams clearly indicate that this is a machine intended for people who prioritize durability and functionality. Its casing combines metal panels, rubberized edges and precision machined elements. To the touch, it feels like you are holding a piece of a military equipment, not a smartphone. In one word, a premium rugged feel. The IP68, IP69K and MIL-STD810H certifications only confirm that it is resistant to water, dust, falls, shocks and all extreme temperatures. A phone that cannot be hidden in a shirt or jeans pocket for sure, but leaves the impression that it can withstand almost anything, including the world apocalypse. Now let's take a look of the external features of this phone. On the right side of the metal frame we have full metal buttons. These first two round are the volume buttons. Below is the power button, which is also a fast fingerprint reader. A little lower we can see this perforate orange button, which is a dedicated button for the instant start the camera. On the left side there is a slot for SIM cards with even 3 free slots, 2 for nano 5G SIM cards at the same time as a place for a micro SD card of up to 2TB. A little lower we can see this perforate orange button, which can be customized to perform various functions with the phone. This button can be activated with a single click, double click or long press, so this one button has 3 different functions that you can personalize according to your needs. And below there is a USmart connector that serves to make this phone or an even more professional device to connect the endoscopes, microscopes and other equipment that you can use in your workshops or in the field. USB Type-C port is here, covered with a rubber seal that guarantees 100% water resistance. Next to him we find the microphone hole. At the very top of the phone we can still find the always welcome 3.5mm headphone jack as well as the infrared blaster. As with the other models in the Armor series, this phone also functions as a universal remote control for your home, allowing you to manage devices such as a television, air conditioners or hi-fi stereo systems through the app on the phone. It can control any device with infrared connectivity, making it highly versatile. This feature is extremely practical and significantly enhances the phone's utility value. On the front, the eye is immediately drawn to the 6.67-inch AMOLED display that occupies almost the entire surface of the phone. In its upper part, a powerful 50-megapixel front camera with beauty mode for impeccable selfies and video calls in Full HD resolution without compromise. The panel itself has a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and a high refresh rate of 120 Hz, which provides extremely smooth scrolling and gaming. The screen supports 10-bit color, so the tones are rich and faithful, and the contrast and the deep blacks typical of AMOLED further amplifies the dynamics of this display. The peak brightness of up to 2200 nits ensures readability even in direct sunlight, and due to energy efficiency of the AMOLED matrix, the device also supports always on display, a constant display of the clock notifications and the basic controls without fully wake up the screen, which is practical and saves battery while wearing. In practice, this combination means that the Armor 29 Ultra offers a premium display that is equally good for multimedia and for outdoor use, whether you are enjoying watching YouTube videos, streaming movies on platforms like Netflix, or scrolling through the social media. The Armor 29 Ultra provides outstanding viewer experience. Every detail of your favorite content comes to life on this screen, making the video consumption even more impressive and enjoyable than ever. Now on the back, in addition to this massive triple camera, there is additional 1.04-inch AMOLED display. This small round screen with a resolution of 340 by 340 pixels, a refresh rate of 16 Hz and a brightness of 600 nits serves as a practical panel for notifications, music, control camera, calendar, compass, call reception and rejection, and the selfie functions. It's extremely useful and gives the device a recognizable, rugged premium look. It also has a huge number of watch faces that you can change and personalize according to your wishes and mood. Below we can see this huge LED capping light, a huge matrix of as many of 570 LEDs with the maximum luminous flux of 1000 lumens. In the dark, this light literally turns the phone into a real portable lamp, powerful enough to replace even a serious camping spotlight. In addition to the classic white light, there is also blue and red warning lights, while simultaneously reproducing loud siren sounds, making it ideal for emergency situations, signaling or ensuring visibility on the road. This functionality improves the additional safety and practicality it brings, making it unique among rugged smartphones. Now the real triple camera system is the real attraction of this phone. The main 50-megapixel camera with the Sony IMX989 sensor with f1.9 aperture allows for fantastic photos in all conditions, from daylight to poor lit scenes. The 50-megapixel ultra-wide macro camera with the Samsung sensor is ideal for shooting landscapes or group photos in a limited space, while the 64-megapixel night vision camera with OmniVision sensor and 4 LEDs delivers outstanding shots in complete darkness, which is the right solution for adventure enthusiasts or for security applications. A particularly practical functionality is the physical button on the right side of the phone, which can be used as a quick shutter release for the camera, enable quick and easy shooting without additional touches of the screen. In addition to photos, cameras also allow video recording in all-impressive 8K resolution, which opens up a completely new level of detail and professional impressions of the recording. In our test, we made several sample photos and videos, so let's take a look. The heart of this phone is MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus, currently one of the most powerful processors on the market, and the octa-core chip that operates at a clock speed of up to 3.4 GHz. The graphics part is taken care of by the Immortalis G720 with 12 cores, which means that the Armor 29 Ultra can easily run the most demanding 3D games, graphic-intense applications and VR content without any lag. In addition, there is a 16GB of RAM, which can be further expanded with the virtual memory of another 16GB, so that we get total over 32GB of RAM and a huge internal storage capacity of 1TB UFS 4.0, and the option to expand the additional 2TB with a memory card, which is enough space for users to carry their entire multimedia collection, professional photos or large video projects and store them for years. The phone is equipped with the advanced cooling system with graphene layers, which lowers the processor temperature, ensuring stable operation under heavy load. All this together allows for limitless gaming with maximum smoothness and no heating, makes the Armor 29 Ultra the perfect choice for mobile gamers and demanding users who want top performance in a robust package. The phone comes with Android 15, which brings a fresh interface, privacy and performance improvements, and the latest security patches. Ulefone has built its own AI engine, that's the Armor 29 Ultra, which enables use to advanced AI applications, including Google Gemini for conventional and productivity scenarios, so the device is not only robust hardware but also a smart companion in everyday work. The phone offers a wide range of connectivity: NFC, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, USB 3.2 Gen 2, Type-C port and infrared port. For precise navigation, the Armor 29 Ultra supports GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, QZSS, Naval C and Beidou systems, ensuring high accuracy and reliability in various conditions, whether you are in the urban areas or in open terrain. If there is one thing that completely breaks the boundaries in a world of smartphones, then it is the 21,200 mAh battery. In practice, it means the phone can withstand up to 114 hours of talk time or an incredible 1,140 hours of standby, more than a month and a half. The phone supports 120-watt super fast charging, which for such a massive battery means that it can be recharged much faster than you would expect. There is also a 10-watt reversible charging, so the phone can serve as a portable power bank for other devices. Now let's not forget to mention that this phone is designed for most extreme conditions, with IP68, IP69K and MIL-STD 810H certifications, making it completely resistant to dust, water and shocks. It has been tested for strictly military standards and can withstand immersion in water up to 2 meters deep for 30 minutes. This durability makes it ideal for adventurers, construction workers and anyone who needs a rugged phone that can withstand all situations, from everyday use to the most demanding off-road challenges. The Ulefone Armor 29 Ultra is no ordinary phone. It is a device for those who want the most in terms of performance, durability and autonomy. Yes, it's a massive and heavy, but that's a price those who want to sleep peacefully knowing that their phone won't let them down even in worse conditions on the field. So if you are looking for a smartphone that can replace a flashlight, a camera, power bank and almost any other gadget in the nature or at work, then the Ulefone 29 Ultra is the right choice. This is a phone that rightfully bears the Ultra name because it goes a step further than the competition in everything. If you're interested in purchasing this Ulefone flagship rugged phone, and I'm sure you are, official sales links can be found below this video. Don't miss your opportunity to take advantage of the current promotional pricing, but act quickly as the quantities are limited. Grab your Ulefone Armor 29 Ultra today while you have a chance. That's all for now, we'll see you soon in the next video review. Until then, be sure to like and subscribe. Bye.